संवसारीक दर्या दिसा निमतान पिटान जनतेक नुस्तें खावपाचें बंद करून शिवराक वचपाचो संदेश दिला. दर्यांतल्या जिवांची राखण करपाक ह्या संस्थेन हो फुडाकार घेतिल्लो आसा. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
I am a campaigner for PETA India. Today we are in Panji just in time for World Ocean Day, which is tomorrow on 8th of June. So we are here to tell people that fish are, conscious animals. They are like every other dog, cat. They are social animals. They are intelligent, and this is a request. We are requesting, through our awareness campaigns, through our awareness programs, for people to go vegan. To understand that there is no difference between a fish and a dog, and that both of them are animals. Both of them can feel an equal amount of pain when they are killed with a blood knife. So today we are campaigning. Today we are here to tell people to go vegan. At least try vegan.
So tomorrow, as you know, 8th June is World Ocean Day. My name is Himani and I'm a student living in Goa. I'm a PETA India supporter. People these days eat fish either out of compulsion or because they like its taste. But as we know that water pollution has adversely affected the quality of water. The chemicals that leach out into the water get absorbed into the bodies of the fishes. And if you are a person eating fishes and aquatic life out of hopes of getting omega-3, then chances are that you are getting more mercury, antibiotics and chemicals. We urge you and plead you to go vegans and try vegans, because veganism is all about compassion towards animals, and it is not only to help our bodies be healthy but also the health of the planet.
So you will be going to demonstrate this, as you said, is a chemical in the industrial states also?
We are right now doing it only in Goa, because we know that Goans do love fish, but we believe that fishes are our friends and not food.